to me. So what I did was I contacted the NCAA, and back then you could buy a book. It was about this thick. Now everything's online. But it gave me every single Division I, II, and III, as long as they were in the NCAA, basketball coach, football coach. I mean, it gave everybody. And so I went through that book and I highlighted 250 roughly Division I college basketball coaches because I wanted to play Division I ball. And my thought was, well, I got to let them know about me. So we played games on Tuesdays and Fridays. So every Wednesday and Saturday, I would get the newspaper from our small town. And I was a pretty good player in our area, so I was always in the paper. And I would cut out the clipping of our game. My mom would get a whole roll of nickels and tons of nickels and would take me to the public library, and I would stand there and I would make 250 copies, and I would handwrite a letter to all 250 coaches every Wednesday and every Saturday, mailing them the clippings of my games.